Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike McCabe, back in the flesh, and I have another unboxing video for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing a product from the Pokémon Center, and I just bought this about a few days ago. It's a Team Skull Guzma hoodie, the jacket that Guzma wears, the boss of Team Skull. It took a while, but here it is. So, take trusty blade, get it out. Skull tag right here on the front. Some hope this thing, shall we? Front. This is the side pattern for the sleeves and the side of the jacket. The back looks really good. It's just like how Guzma has it in the game. Jacket here. Embroidery, every little piece stitched onto this awesome jacket. And now I'm going to put it on and I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's going to be the end of this video, and hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you're looking to get this jacket yourself, you can find it at the Pokémon Center website. It's priced at $69.99. It's a bit pricey, but I managed to save up enough to get it. And make sure you specify which size you need, because right now they only have large and XL available, I think, but I could be wrong. But at the time my size was available, so I took advantage of the opportunity to get it. So yeah, until next time, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date, ring the bell if you want to be first, and drop a like, drop a comment, be nice if you're out. And until next time, keep a pride raging, stay on the black side of things for my brother, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember always, long live Team Skull. Deuces.